Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Rs Knitting.
As a crochet lover, one thing I've learned over time is that choosing the right yarn makes all the difference. For home decor projects like sofa covers, cushions, and cozy accents, I love using soft cotton or cotton blend yarn because it gives a neat finish and lasts longer. When it comes to colors, the right combination can completely transform a space. Cream and beige create a timeless, elegant look. White and dusty pink bring softness and warmth. Sage green with cream feels calm and natural, while navy blue paired with white creates a clean, modern style. For a cozy and luxurious atmosphere, I always love combining mocha brown, beige, and ivory tones. My crochet room is where creativity comes to life, surrounded by yarn, hooks, and handmade pieces. Every project starts with a simple idea and slowly becomes something beautiful. There's something special about watching colors come together stitch by stitch. For sofa decor, I usually match crochet colors with the room's overall theme. Neutral rooms look beautiful with soft pastel shades, while modern spaces can handle stronger contrasts like charcoal gray and cream or teal and white. The key is balance. One main color, one supporting color, and one accent color. Crochet is more than just a hobby for me. It's a way to relax, express creativity, and bring warmth into a home. Every handmade stitch tells a story, and that's what makes crochet so special.